Giving
Southwest
the
monsoon
forecast.
2020 seasonal rainfall. The first stage long range forecast for southwest monsoon from June to September. I request Secretary Ministry of Earth Sciences to brief.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today IMD is releasing the first stage of monsoon forecast for 2020 monsoon season. As well as after the monsoon forecast is briefed, we will be also releasing a new report on new monsoon onset and withdrawal dates, which IMD will be following during this monsoon season. First, I will brief about the long-range or seasonal forecast for 2020 monsoon. As you are aware that IMD releases this monsoon forecast in two stages. First forecast is released in sometime in middle of April, 15th April. And second stage forecast is issued in sometime in first week of June. So today we are releasing the first stage monsoon forecast based on our indigenous statistical models as well as dynamical models. In this difficult time due to coronavirus, but I want to inform you a good news about the Indian monsoon. This year we'll have a normal monsoon. Quantitatively, the monsoon rainfall during the monsoon season 2020 is expected to be 100% of its long period average, of course with the error of 5 plus or minus 5% due to model error. I will also give a probability for different categories which we normally give, and for normal, which is defined between 96 to 104% of long period average, the forecast probability is 41%. So there is a high probability that monsoon is likely to be normal. For above normal, it is that means 104 to 110% of long period average. The forecast probability is 21%, and for excess, that is more than 110%, its probability is 9%. For below normal, 90 to 96, the probability is 20%. And the good news is for deficient rain, which we normally don't expect it to receive, and also it will have large adverse effect on agriculture and other water resources. For deficient monsoon, our forecast probability is very small. It is only just 9%, which is really a good news. And as you are aware that IMD uses both the statistical and dynamical model for preparing this monsoon forecast. This official forecast is, however, based on statistical model which we indigenously developed within our IMD system. We are also using one of the best dynamical model, the dynamical climate prediction model, and so that we have been doing it for last 5 years. And this is, however, the dynamical model prediction offers us the very high probability for monsoon to be above normal to excess, and almost 70% probability that monsoon rainfall will be more than 104%. And that is from a dynamical model. The main reason why the dynamical model is showing a very high probability for above normal is the model is predicting a kind of evolution to La Nina phase in the eastern parts of Pacific Ocean. And so not only our model, our dynamical model, and a few other coupled models, climate models also suggesting that at present ENSO is in a neutral phase, El Nino and Southern Oscillation phase is in a neutral phase, and however, by end of second half of monsoon season is likely to be into a La Nina phase. However, not all dynamical models are predicting the La Nina phase. Some models are still showing that neutral conditions will, however, continue for the remaining period. So there is a 50-50 kind of chance by the dynamical model that the La Nina will evolve during the monsoon season. But and also we should know that the dynamical models or prediction of dynamical models are El Nino at present during this time, March, April will have lesser scale due to so-called spring barrier predictability. And so we have to wait for May and June season to see how these dynamical models are really predicting how the La Nina will develop or not. So therefore at present we should focus more on our statistical operational model, which very clearly says that we will have a normal monsoon, which is really a good news for all of us. And this should really help our agriculture sector for better crop yield, and also definitely will help our economic growth in this country. Now, I request Dr. Mahapatra, Director General of IMD, to summarize and give his remarks.
नमस्कार। जैसे सेक्रेटरी साहब ने आप लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है, आज हम 2020 का साउथ ईस्ट मानसून का होने वाले सीजनल रेनफॉल का पूर्वानुमान जारी कर रहे हैं। ये जो पूर्वानुमान आज जारी हो रहा है, इसका प्रमुख विवरण यही है कि समूचे देश में दक्षिण पश्चिम मानसून की ऋतुनिष्ठ जून से सितंबर वर्षा लगभग सामान्य रहने का संभावना है। हम इसको सामान्य बोलते हैं जब रेनफॉल लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज की 96% से 104% के बीच में होता है। मात्रात्मक रूप से देखें तो इस साल जून से सितंबर के बीच में जो मानसून सीजनल रेनफॉल होने का हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं वो 100% है, यानी लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज का 100% मानसून रेनफॉल इस बार जून से सितंबर में कंट्री एज ए होल में रियलाइज होने का उम्मीद किया जा रहा है। ये जो लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज है, ये 1961 से 2000 तक 1961 से 2000 तक जो आंकड़ा है, इसको बेस करके हम लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज निकाले हैं और कंट्री एज ए होल के लिए लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज के हिसाब से भारत का सीजनल रेनफॉल 88 सेंटीमीटर है। प्रशांत महासागर में जो एल नीनो या सदर्न ऑसिलेशन का स्थिति उत्पन्न होता है, इसको भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग लगातार मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो एनसो या एल नीनो या लानिना कंडीशंस भारत का मौसम वर्षा के साथ बहुत प्रभावित होता है। इसलिए इसका भी हम जो ऑब्जर्व किए हैं, इसके हिसाब से अभी न्यूट्रल एनसो कंडीशन जारी है। और सिमिलरली इंडियन ओशन में जो सामुद्रिक स्थिति होता है, इसको हम इंडियन ओशन डाइपोल में डिफाइन करते हैं, और इंडियन ओशन डाइपोल भी अभी न्यूट्रल स्टेट में है। हमारा ये उम्मीद है कि इंडियन ओशन डाइपोल और ये जो एनसो कंडीशन न्यूट्रल है अभी, ये मानसून सीजन के टाइम भी न्यूट्रल रहेंगे। फिर भी कुछ जो न्यूमेरिकल मॉडल्स है वो सभी दर्शाते हैं कि लेटर पार्ट ऑफ मानसून सीजन पे लानिना कंडीशन का पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है। हम भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग में जो लॉन्ग रेंज फोरकास्ट जारी करते हैं, इसमें दो प्रमुख मॉडल का यूटिलाइजेशन होता है। एक होता है जो इन हाउस हमारा एनसेम्बल मॉडल्स है, स्टैटिस्टिकल एनसेम्बल फोरकास्टिंग सिस्टम है। इसको बेस करके हम फोरकास्ट देते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ मॉनसून मिशन के अंतर्गत जो डायनेमिकल मॉडल मिनिस्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स साइंसेस ने डेवलप किए हैं, इसको भी यूटिलाइज करके हम हमारा फोरकास्ट तैयार करते हैं। सो मैं अभी जो फोरकास्ट हमारा है, इसको दोबारा रिपीट करता हूँ कि इस साल जून से सितंबर के बीच में जो बारिश का अनुमान किया जाता है, वो नॉर्मल रहने का अनुमान किया जा रहा है फॉर कंट्री एज ए होल। क्वांटिटेटिवली मानसून रेनफॉल 1 जून से 30 सितंबर के बीच में जो टोटल कंट्री होने का हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं, वो लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज का 100% है। धन्यवाद। मैं और एक बात यहाँ आपको बोल के रखूँ कि ये जो हमारा जो फास्टेस्ट फोरकास्ट आज हम जारी किए हैं, इसका अपडेट हम सेकेंड स्टेज में जारी करेंगे लास्ट वीक ऑफ में, नहीं तो फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून में हम सेकेंड स्टेज का फोरकास्ट देंगे। वो फोरकास्ट में फिर हम कंट्री एज ए होल का रेनफॉल का अपडेट तो देंगे, इसके साथ साथ कंट्री का जो 4 ब्रॉड होमोजेनियस रीजियंस है, उनके लिए भी सीजनल रेनफॉल का अनुमान लगाएंगे। और इसके साथ साथ जो मंथली रेनफॉल जुलाई और अगस्त में होने वाला है, इसका ही पूर्वानुमान हम लास्ट वीक ऑफ मई और फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून में जारी करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Now I'll request the Secretary for a report on monsoon, onset and withdrawal for briefing purpose.
As you know that IMD also will be monitoring every day how the monsoon onset is progressing when the monsoon season is advancing. And we have been following normal monsoon onset dates which have been prepared by IMD a long time back, that also based on only 149 stations. So we thought of revising the normal monsoon onset as well as withdrawal dates. So we have formed a group, especially scientists in IMD Pune office have done a very detailed analysis of with the recent data, especially data from 61 to 2019. We analyzed the data and we revised this normal onset as well as the withdrawal dates. And the report today I'll be mentioning about very salient points. But however, a detailed report will be published by 15 May when we issue the monsoon onset forecast for Kerala. And today also we will be releasing a 3-page press release which will be hosted in IMD's website regarding these monsoon onset dates, new onset dates and also withdrawal dates. And I'll give you a brief highlight of this new report which IMD is releasing. And as on monsoon onset over Kerala is concerned, the monsoon onset with the new dates remains same. It is on 1st June. However, monsoon advance dates over states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, and some parts of Uttar Pradesh are delayed by 3 to 7 days compared to the existing normal dates. However, over extreme northwest India, the monsoon arrives now a little earlier on 8th July compared to the existing date of 15th July. There are, however, appreciable change in the monsoon withdrawal dates, which is very important to note, especially over northwest and central India. Monsoon withdraws from northwest India almost 7 to 14 days later from the existing dates. And so that is a very appreciable change, 7 to 14 days later from the existing dates, so especially over northwest India. Also, there is no change in the final withdrawal date. Finally, it withdraws. Monsoon, southwest monsoon withdraws, then northeast monsoon sets in. But the final withdrawal date somewhere in the south peninsula on 15th October, that remains same. And so the new dates, the maps are also given in this press release, which will be hosted to the IMD website very shortly. And so I will give you a few cities. I will tell you what are the changes. For example, over Trivandrum, as I said, the onset will remain as 1st June. Chennai, instead of 1st June, now it will be 4th June. Panjim, Goa, it is 7th June, it remains same. Hyderabad, instead of 7th June, now it will be 8th June. And Pune, instead of 9th June, it will be 10th June. And Mumbai, instead of 10th June, it will be 11th June. Ahmednagar, instead of 10th June, it will be 12th June. In Odisha, Puri, instead of 12th June, it will be 13th June. Whereas in Surat, 13th June, instead of 13th June, it will be on 19th June, is the new onset dates. And in Nagpur, instead of 13th June, it will be 15th June. Raipur, it will be instead of 13th June, it will be 16th. Ahmedabad, instead of 14th June, it will be 21st June, almost 7 days of delay. From the delay means the delay from the existing date. And Calcutta, instead of 10th June, it will be 11, not much change. Bhuj, instead of 21 June, it will be 30th June, almost 9 days later it arrives. Bhopal, instead of 15th June, it will be 22nd June. Varanasi, instead of 15th June, it will be 20th June. And Imphal, northeast, instead of 1st June, it will be 5th June. Tripura, instead of 2nd June, it will be 4th June. Ajmer, for some in Rajasthan, instead of 23 June, it is almost 1st July, almost 7 days later. Lucknow, instead of 20th June, it will be 23rd June. And Jaipur, instead of 23rd June, it will be 1st July. And Gandhok, Sikkim, it will be instead of 10 June, same, it's 10 June, it remains 10 June. Very importantly, Delhi, instead of 23rd June, the new date is now 27th June is the new normal onset date. And in Chandigarh, instead of 1st July, it is a little earlier there, 26th June. And so some changes are there in some, especially in northwest, extreme northern part of India. Otherwise, most of the places, the normal monsoon onset dates are a little later than the existing dates. Regarding the withdrawal date, I will tell you, for example, one good example of, especially Northwest India, this is a lot of delay, almost 10 days delay in especially Central India as well as Northwest India. So this table also we have put it in our new press release, which will be released in our website very shortly. With this, I will stop our briefing today. Thank you.
Friends, any question from your side? Otherwise, there are some online questions. First, I take online question. Stella Kiran from Andhra Pradesh.
There are some people there.
Requesting information on Southwest Monsoon 2020 performance over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema and onset date over Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, so that I say that Dr. Mahabhadra was suggesting that region-wise forecast we will be releasing sometime in last week of May or first week of June. At that time, we will be able to tell you exactly what will happen in especially Rayalaseema and the neighborhood. And also the onset date we will be telling, especially over Kerala, we will be telling on 15th of May.
105.
डीजी साहब ने कहा कि लेटर पार्ट में ला नीना का पॉसिबिलिटी है, तो उससे मॉनसून पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा और एल नीनो इफेक्ट इस बार क्या रहेगा, एल नीनो का कंडीशन पॉसिबिलिटी उसका.
So El Nino, if it is a El Nino, it is not good for monsoon, but if it is a La Nina phase, a monsoon के लिए अच्छा है. But normally La Nina years we get normally good monsoon, either normal monsoon or above normal monsoon. So El Nino मतलब El Nino La Nina ये दो फेस होता है. वो पैसिफिक ओशन में सी सरफेस टेम्परेचर का कंडीशन है. इफ इट इज अबव नॉर्मल वी कॉल इज एल निनो, इफ इट इज बिलो नॉर्मल व्हेन कोल्डर टेम्परेचर इट इज ला निना, वार्मर टेम्परेचर है तो वो एल निनो बोलता है. सो दिस ईयर बाय जुलाई अगस्त आवर मॉडल्स आर सजेस्टिंग दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी ला निना फेज. दैट मीन टेम्परेचर विल बी लेस दैन नॉर्मल, कम होगा, इसलिए मानसून के लिए अच्छा है.
ऑलमोस्ट एक सप्ताह का डिले हुआ था मानसून ऑनसेट में, तो इस साल का क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है?
मानसून ऑनसेट फोरकास्ट हम लोग 15 मई में रिलीज हो.
Another online question: has the lockdown had any impact on pre-monsoon tea store activities?
Well, see, with this lockdown, IMD is given exemption. So IMD is essential service. So we are not closing down. We are not closed down any activities of IMD. We are still running our IMD in full strength. And little small effect were there in some kind of observations. But forecast services, especially thunderstorm, our radars are all working in good conditions. So we are monitoring thunderstorm activity using radars as well as satellite. All the data are being received regularly. So there's not much impact on because of the lockdown on IMD's activities.
Now the last question online, Anjali Mishra, she has asked from Mumbai, how will the monsoon in Mumbai be this year as compared to the last year? And a similar question, what about Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh?
Yeah, both the answers we will be able to give by end of May. At present, we are giving only the forecast for all India forecast, and but detailed forecast will be released sometime end of May.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.